This is Dina Okba. I'm an artist, I'm a miniaturist, and I do the art of recycle. If this is your first time to see me and see my channel, and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. Also, I need your help by doing a lot of comments on my videos, because if you do a lot of comments, there will be a lot of activity on my channel, and will help me a lot. And if you want me to do something else, please let me know. And I need your support. It's very important for me. That's what keeps me going. And thanks in advance. Let's go and see what I'm going to do today.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello guys, this is a mold for cheesecake. I made it. There is a tutorial how to make it on my TikTok account. I will leave the link for my TikTok account down, and it's really practical. It opens and closes. Very simple. If you want to see, you can go to my TikTok account. This is hand cream. I'm just going to do the steps exactly like a normal cake. I have to put the cream here, so the cream here, so when I put the cake it won't stick. It will be easy to come out. Don't put too much. And I'm going to cover it with baby powder, which is like normal cake. We just put butter and then we put flour. Same steps, but it's a crafty one. Okay, we remove the excess. And the back, this is a cover of baking powder box. We have it here in our part of the world. Now, I'm using here a salt dough. Oh, this is my tea. I like to have tea with mint, Arabic tea, when I'm working. I wish can I invite you. So this is a dough which is homemade dough, salt dough. I made it. There is a recipe how to make it in my video in my channel. I take a small part and I have to cover it, as we know, always, because it's air dry clay. Don't want it to dry. Now I'm going to give it a tone, slightly toned, by using here brown color and mix it. I'm going to make it all also darker. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make that using some other ingredient. It will become warm from my hands. I have to keep kneading in the dough. Now I am going to add this is real cinnamon powder. Now it's going to give to this dough, it's going to give it texture, sorry, and color and smell, flavor. Really nice. You see that? You see how you see the texture, how it is? It's like powdery. Need some more. And I mix it well. Like that. See how it is? And the smells is amazing, I can't tell you. Now I'll bring the mold and I press on it. Put it inside. With pressure. When it comes out, I don't need to give a texture, because when I put the cinnamon inside, it gives a natural texture. Sorry. Now, these are some fruits which I have baked them before, and I keep them in case when I need them. So I have here some bananas. See, they are hard now, they are dry. I'm going to use in this tart bananas, strawberries, and kiwi. So I have to put them in the design what I want. You can do a tart, or you can make a cake of mango only, or you can make grapes, or you can make figs. apple. It's up to you what you want to do. Here I want to make a mixed fruit. Here we go. I have to arrange them like that. Now the base is soft, but the fruits are hard because the base I just make it, and the fruits I did them maybe a couple of months ago. But it's okay. The whole thing will get together. It's completed now. Here we go. Now I have to prepare to put uh, the it's like the jelly on it, and because it give a good looking, and it give make it hard, it hold all the fruits together, and it will be easy to use. So this need to color it, so I'm using here a resin color because it's transparent and it give a good looking. If I want to use some of the vanilla essence as well to have a good smell, then I can use it, doesn't matter. Don't use acrylic color, and don't use other colors because you will lose the transparency. If it's light, you can add more resin color. See, like that. It's very, very well. Then we will pour it on top of the fruits in the mold. Okay. Now the rest I can keep it and use it some other time. Now this is a plate. I made it from a yogurt box. I want to put I prefer this one. Maybe this one, it looks better. Gold and silver, they look better. So I will use this plate to put the cake. Now this is like a fruit jelly cake. I want to add, you can keep it like that, or you want to make custard. See, it's easy to remove because of the hand cream and the baby powder. A little bit push, it come out. Now the top part, which is the jelly with the fruit, still it is separate than the base. So you can add any more layers as you like. In this case, I'm going to add a custard layer. I'm going to show you how to make it. Put the mold again. And I'm going to prepare the custard. Then I'm going to put the base, which is I have done it before. And I will separate the jelly strawberry topping. Here we go. Can you see the bananas? I put the biscuit top down. Then I put here the custard. Okay. And before the custard, I pour it inside. And before it dries, I will just put the fruits and the jelly top. I just make it before, so they will stick all together. All the sides. This is my Facebook page, and this is my Instagram account and my TikTok account. You can follow me on these accounts and see the new things I do. So see, now I just put it on top. I will put a little bit pressure, a little bit. Just keep it some kind of like 5 minutes. Then I remove it from the mold. I have to turn it the other side and a little bit pressure. See how it is? Now you can do it like orange jelly if you are making mango, for example, or yellow if you are making lemon tart. You can control the color. It doesn't have to be yellow. It doesn't have to be red like strawberry or mixed fruit. No, you can make whatever you want. The same style. Also the custard, it can be cream, white. Now I make sure that I have to clean my mold so it will be easy to use it again. Now it's time for cutting the cake. It is soft. Easy to cut. See? And from inside is like that. And I am going to make like cream on top. Finish the decoration. Here we go. And I will prepare a little bit of this cherries, which is made of foam. And I will put them on top of the cream before it dries so it will stick inside. Here we go. To make one cream also in the center, but not a big one because I don't want it to cover the fruits down. I want the fruits that you can see it. Very tiny, small one. Inshallah. This is the final look. I'm going to make a border with the cream. That's how it is. Put it on the serving plate. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you had fun. Please subscribe to my channel if you like to see some more of my videos, and leave a comment because that's helped me a lot. That's it. Thanks. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, subscribe and share, and turn the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.